To insert the bobbin correctly every single time, first look for the Pfaff logo on the top of the bobbin. When you wind your bobbin, that logo should be on top, and then also when you drop it into the machine, you should also have that on top. So when you pull on the thread, the bobbin will spin counterclockwise. Find down here right about 6 o'clock a little groove, and then bring your thread over to the left side. Now notice I'm actually holding the bobbin a little bit with my finger. And then that way you can actually click it right into that tension area, bring it up and over the top of the machine and underneath this cutter. And if you actually put the little door over there first and then cut the thread, it kind of holds it all in place. And remember, you don't have to bring your bobbin thread up when you start to sew. Just lower your presser foot down on your fabric and it will bring it up perfectly every single time.